Okay, let's continue. So we'll study about line through a point. So consider a point P and a vector A not equal to 0 in the plane. So we are given a point P and a vector A which is not equal to 0 in the plane. So we can ask, what is the line through P parallel to A? So given a point P and a vector A, what is the line through P parallel to A? So what is this line? So note that we'll look at some generic points on the line. This is vector P, this is vector A. So this is point P and this is vector A. We are interested in the line through the point P which is parallel to A. Some generic points on this line are, so some generic point here looks like P plus T times A where T is greater than 0. So P plus a positive multiple of A will look like this point. P plus TA where T is 0 will look like just the point P, and P plus TA, some point P plus TA where T is negative, looks like this. It will be to the left. So these are some generic points on the line. So hence we see that the points of the line are just P plus some multiple of A. Collecting the points P plus TA as T varies over R will give us the line through P parallel to A. Hence the line through P parallel to A is so we'll denote it by LPA. So LPA is just the collection of these points P plus TA where T varies over R. So this is the line through P parallel to A. So if we write P as P1, P2, or it's understood. So this is line through P parallel to A. So we'll look at an example. So consider this point 3, 4 and consider this vector A 2, 1. So the line through P parallel to A is this line. So in this picture, line through P parallel to A is just this collection of these points P plus TA where T varies over R. So P is 3, 4 plus T times A is 2, 1. So these points as T varies over R. So it is just 3 plus 2T and 4 plus T. This is the line through the point 3, 4 parallel to 2, 1. Okay. So that's all for this part. See you in the next part.